Today's May 2nd, 2015. It is beautiful out, so I'm going for a bike ride. It's Handley Spring now, and there's some pretty things going on outside, so I decided I'm gonna take a bike ride through the Nature Center. I'm gonna be following the Kalamazoo River Valley. I'm picking this trail up at downtown Kalamazoo at I think that's mile marker 5.7, pretty much right across the river from Arcadia Ales. And if you're not in the know, this thing is polluted to hell and back, so it's gonna smell bad. Luckily for you, I don't get to record scents, so you just get to look at all the prettiness. So this is a new thing that's happened since last year. Looks like they're making a little community garden thing right here on the Kalamazoo River, which, by the way, kind of smells like an outhouse right now. The Nature Center is only 4.6 miles that way. Really isn't a whole lot growing yet, it looks like. Maybe I'll have to come back later in the season to see what happens. I just came across something absolutely terrifying. There's a bump ahead! There's no bump here. Here we are coming up to the first part of the Nature Center. This is my favorite part of this whole trail. It's windy, it's downish hill, it's forested so it looks cool. It's just awesome. That was the Kalamazoo River Valley Trail up through the Nature Center. I think it's pretty. I just went like 14 miles altogether. I'm gonna take a quick break. I finished that just in time. The batteries in this camera just ran out. So when I go for the bike trip, I'm not really sure exactly how I'm gonna be doing all these videos. I have a couple different ideas for formats in my mind. I'll try them out and see which ones work best. You can subscribe to watch me prepare more for this bike trip I'm going on, or if you just want to see beer reviews, I do those also. I probably shouldn't combine the two. I have though. Leave comments about whatever, I don't know, how pretty things are or things, I don't know. All right, time to head home. Cheers everybody. See you next time.